Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you facing HP Officejet Pro 8710 not printing issue? Now, you don't know how to fix the problem. This issue often happens because of simple things like changed default printer settings, an outdated printer driver, or stuck print jobs. In today's video, I'll guide you through easy step-by-step solutions to help you get your printer working again in no time. Method 1. Set the printer as default printer. Go to your computer and click on the Start menu. Now, search for the printers and scanners and click on Open. Scroll down to the option that says Let Window manage my default printer and uncheck the box. Next, scroll back up, find your HP printer from the list of the available printers and click on Manage. Finally, select the Set as Default option. If setting the printer as the default didn't work out, the next thing we need to do is update the printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Queues section. Now, find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for latest updates and install them for you. If your printer is still not printing, don't worry, just follow the last method to cancel the printer jobs. Method 3. Delete all print jobs. On your computer, double-click on the printer icon in the bottom right corner. Note, if you don't see the printer icon, click the small arrow to see hidden icons. In the new window, right-click on any pending print job and select Cancel from the list of actions. When the confirmation box pops up, click on Yes to confirm. Note, also make sure to cancel each pending print job one by one.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.